Hey guys, as you can see, I'm red-faced and still sexy, but it's July 4th, and say hey Kevin. Don't let him yet. Right now we're going to show off some fireworks. We got the gay ones because I'm broke as a joke, but hey, 4th of July, that's all that matters. So let's watch how gay we are in the country here. Watch them run, guys. Pretty. God, that smoke smells like rotten damn eggs. Okay, go out that one. Hurry, babe. Look, I say hurry, look at him. He walks like that. What is this one called?
Razzle Dazzler.
Sweet niblets. Oh, that one, I like that one. God bless the USA. Okay, good, that little one. This one, I like this one. From right here where I'm holding it, looks so itty bitty weedy weedy. What? That was a dud. I hope nobody heard that. Light that one, hurry up, Kevin. That's pretty. Whoa. And now I'm gonna hold one. Ready, Kevin? Let's do this sucker. Let's see, I'm gonna hold one. This is still a gay one, but still. It's called the Jumbo California Candle. Light me up. Like I'm gonna have the torch. I'm the human torch. Burn his head off. Ooh, it's green now. Matches his shirt. KG. So you can see it better. My God, I'm fat and my hands getting tired. Oh God. I want American Idol. Ah! That's it, guys. I love you. Mwah. Hope you have a great 4th. Say bye, Kevin.